Our Milky Way galaxy is a breathtaking spectacle. Imagine a swirling city of stars, spanning 100,000 light-years across. Billions of stars, each a sun in its own right, light up the cosmic expanse. Amidst this grandeur, hidden from our view, lurk mysterious objects called black holes. These are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes come in different sizes. Stellar mass black holes are the smallest type, formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. These stellar remnants are incredibly dense, packing a mass several times that of our Sun into a region just a few miles across. Stars are born from clouds of gas and dust, their immense gravity pulling matter inward and igniting nuclear fusion in their cores. For most of their lives, stars exist in a delicate balance, the outward pressure from fusion counteracting the inward pull of gravity. However, for stars much more massive than our Sun, this balance cannot last forever. When these stellar giants exhaust their nuclear fuel, gravity takes over, causing the star's core to collapse in on itself. This catastrophic collapse triggers a supernova explosion, expelling the star's outer layers into space. What remains is a stellar mass black hole, an object of immense density and gravitational pull. The formation of a stellar mass black hole is a testament to the extreme conditions that can exist in the universe, conditions that defy our everyday experience. To grasp the mind-boggling density of a stellar mass black hole, imagine compressing the entire mass of the Earth into a sphere the size of a marble. That's how tightly packed matter is within these cosmic objects. The gravitational pull of a stellar mass black hole is equally astonishing. If you were to approach one too closely, the tidal forces would be so strong that your body would be stretched out like spaghetti, a process scientists call spaghettification. Despite their extreme nature, stellar mass black holes are relatively common in the universe. Astronomers estimate that our Milky Way galaxy alone may harbor millions of these invisible objects. These stellar remnants serve as a reminder of the vastness and mystery of the cosmos, a place where the laws of physics are pushed to their limits. Section 4. Intermediate mass black holes, a bridge between giants. While stellar mass black holes are fascinating in their own right, there are even larger black holes lurking in the cosmos. Intermediate mass black holes, as their name suggests, bridge the gap between stellar mass and supermassive black holes. These mid-sized black holes are thought to form through the mergers of smaller black holes, gradually growing in size over cosmic timescales. Imagine a cosmic dance of black holes, their gravitational pull drawing them closer until they eventually coalesce into a single, more massive object. Intermediate mass black holes are still shrouded in mystery, as they are more elusive than their smaller counterparts. However, their existence has been hinted at by observations of ultra-bright X-ray sources, thought to be powered by these enigmatic objects. The discovery and study of intermediate mass black holes could provide crucial insights into the growth and evolution of their larger cousins, the supermassive black holes that reside at the hearts of galaxies. Section 5. Supermassive black holes, the heart of galaxies. At the center of most, if not all, galaxies lie supermassive black holes, objects of truly staggering proportions. These behemoths can have masses millions or even billions of times greater than that of our Sun. Our own Milky Way galaxy is no exception. Nestled at its center, shrouded by gas and dust, lies a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A*. This behemoth has a mass of about 4 million suns, all concentrated within a region smaller than our solar system. The formation of supermassive black holes is still an active area of research, but it is thought that they grow by accreting matter from their surroundings, such as gas clouds and stars that venture too close. Supermassive black holes play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies. Their immense gravity can influence the orbits of stars, trigger star formation, and even shape the structure of galaxies themselves. Section 6. Ultramassive black holes, cosmic giants. If supermassive black holes are the titans of the cosmos, then ultramassive black holes are the true leviathans. These objects are the most massive black holes known, with masses exceeding 10 billion times that of our Sun. One such example is TUN 618, a quasar located billions of light-years away. This cosmic giant is estimated to have a mass of a staggering 66 billion suns, making it one of the most massive objects ever discovered. The existence of ultramassive black holes pushes our understanding of the universe to its limits. How do these objects form and evolve? What role do they play in the grand cosmic scheme of things? These are questions that continue to intrigue and inspire astronomers, driving them to explore the farthest reaches of the cosmos in search of answers. The study of black holes, from the smallest stellar remnants to the largest ultramassive giants, provides a unique window into the fundamental nature of gravity and the workings of the universe itself.